Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about resistor. What is resistor? Resistor is a two-terminal device. Two-terminal device which will control the current flow in a circuit element. Okay, so this is a resistor. It is a two-terminal device which will control the current flow in a circuit. Okay, so from this we can simply say that what is resistor? Resistor means it's a device which will offer resistance. Okay, so that device is offering resistance, so it will give some opposition to the current flow. It will give some opposition to the current flow. So what is to be happening? If more resistance are there, the current flow will be reduced to low. If the resistance is lesser, we have to, the current flow will be little bit more. Okay, why we have to be connecting this resistor? We are using in all the devices, we are using the resistor. Why we are using these resistors? Because in a circuit consists of so many devices, like we can say that in a home, fan, fridge and motor, bulb, each device will accept some amount of current only. If the current is to be more than its maximum value, that device will make damage. So we need to limit the current flow through the devices. For that we are using resistor. Okay, and the symbol for the resistors, we are normally using the symbol is like this. This is the resistor. Okay, clear? Okay. So resistor, we can say that simply it is a device which will offer resistance. What is the unit of resistance? Everybody knows, that is ohm. Clear? Okay. Then normally we have to be using two type of resistors. Two type of resistor. That is, we will say about wire bound resistor. And the second one is carbon resistor. Okay. Carbon resistor. What is wire bound resistor? In this resistor, wire of alloy is like alloy is like we have to be using normally nichrome, manganese and constant. Okay, these materials, wire of alloy is like a nichrome, manganese and constant, are to be wound over a insulating material. Okay, so that means we can see like this. We will consider as an insulating material. This is an insulating cylinder. In this insulating cylinder, these wire of alloys are wound like this. Okay, alloy's resistance is larger. So based on the length of the wires, here if it is to be connected, we will get some length. here will be some more length again like this. Okay, so while going based on its length, the resistance value will be increases. Clear? Okay. And why we are using the nichrome, manganese and constant? Because the resistivities of nichrome, manganese and constant will not be changes with the temperature. So it is nearly, we can say that the temperature coefficient of these material is to be 0. Clear? Okay. So we are using wire bonded resistor. Okay. The example of the wire bonded resistor is rheostat. I think everybody saw the rheostat in the lab. You can see that there is a shifting thing is over there. So based on the, you can see that over the rheostat something is to be moving over it. If that will be more distance moves, you can see that the current flow will be reduced. Okay, so rheostat is an example for a wire bonded resistor. Okay, then that is all about a wire bonded resistor. Now we are going to see about carbon resistor. What is to be a carbon resistor means a solid conductor. Solid conductor with the lead in at the two sides, lead end or metallic end. Okay, this used to be a solid conductor ends, lead. Okay, lead ends. Clear? So what is to be using? A solid conductor over has two lead ends or a metallic end. By using these ends, we can be connected to the circuit. Clear? And for a carbon resistors, the resistor value is to be noted down in the form of color coded. That means there are to be normally different colors. Like that, they are to be noted down the resistance value. Clear? Okay. So if you decode this color, you will get the resistance of that carbon resistor. Carbon resistor is the resistor we are normally using in all the electronic circuit, and most commonly we are to be using carbon resistor. Okay. And how the resistance increases or decreases in the carbon resistor means, in this solid conductor there is some carbon composition is there. So based on the carbon composition, the resistance value may vary. Okay, so okay, yeah. So here in a solid conductor there is a carbon compositions are there, carbon. So based on this carbon composition, the resistance value of this will be vary. Clear? That is the two type. Okay, and another two type of resistors are there. That is, we will say that fixed resistor and variable resistor. Fixed resistor means the name itself we can consider another two classification. Fixed resistor and variable resistor. In the fixed resistor, the name itself it will be say fixed resistor. That means resistor is to be resistance value is fixed. Variable resistor, the resistance value is possible to be varied. Okay? In the wire bound resistor, the resistance value may vary. In the carbon resistors also variable resistors are to be available, and but most common carbon resistors are fixed resistor. Clear? That's all about a resistor.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like and share.